Okay, hello. I'm back with another video. I'm making a squishy out of makeup sponges. Oh. Okay, so I'm working on right now. It's gonna be a donut. I'm just sort of fixing up right now because they're so black right there, and it's like uneven on the inside, like where I cut it. And then I'm going to be coloring it in. Are you dancing on the dance floor, drinking by the bar? Tonight we do it big, shine like stars. We don't give up, 'cause that's just who we are. I just had that paused for like a minute and a half now, and I was talking, and I just realized it was paused. I think I cut my phone. Okay, I didn't cut my phone, so that's good. And how can this cut through a whole pumpkin and not cut through a makeup sponge? I had to use scissors. So unprofessional. Oh, I hate that sound when it's cutting through. It's like. So here's my donut. It sort of looks like one of those winter mint things, like the straw. No, not the. Lifesavers, that's what they are. That's what they are. Okay, let's go get my markers. They're in my room. Oh wow, it's dark in here. I should probably turn on my light. That didn't help. Okay, here's my markers. They're on the floor. They're heavy. Jeez. Oh, hi, Coco. Here's my little cutie. Oh. What is in your fur? Are you in the tree again? No, I just ripped out some of her fur because it's all disgusting. Ew. No, let's take that downstairs and throw it away. Okay. So I'm here with my markers. Okay, that's the back. Yeah, see, it has my name on it. So let's cut this thing up. Hold on, let's throw away these extra pieces. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Let's begin. This looks terrible so far. I have really bad cutting skills. Okay, so donuts have that weird teal color on the bottom. Is that the weird teal color? Not teal, peel. Peach. It is. There we have it. Well, yeah, there's more squish on here. Okay, let's begin. OMG, it looks orange. Okay, I love the texture of makeup sponges. They're amazing. Okay, guys, I can't even with my mom right now. She just said sure when this looked like a donut. But here's the bottom. I colored on the inside. So now it's time to color this. Well, I think it's dry. Is it dry? Squish. It's not dry! Hold on. Okay, I have a paper towel here. Now let's just squish that. speed it up. Should be dry now. Let's see. It's still wet. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it face down right there so I can do the other side. Okay, so the cream on our donut is going to be a Wild Orchard. It's a nice shade of pink. And then for the sprinkles, we have teal. Really, that's an original name, Crayola. This one doesn't have a color name because it's a gel marker. But I think it's really... Wait, is it the same color as this? Crap, it is. Well, looks like I'm only having 2 colors sprinkles. And then purple. Plum. Okay, I'm going to color this in, but I'm going to pause the video because I will run out of storage if I don't. Okay, see you in a few minutes. Okay, here's the top. I gotta do the sides still. Okay guys, this is disgusting. It's all over my finger and it's like sticky. Is there like chemicals in makeup sponges? Makeup pros use sponges because fingers carry oil, bacteria, that are latex-free cosmetic sponge rounds will not crumble like really. Sponge expands. Okay, it doesn't say what it's made out of, but it's all sticky after it got made with marker. Maybe I should have gotten this wet first because it says like expands in water. Oh crap, I messed up. That's not good. That's just one really fat sprinkle. Thank you. Oh my gosh, the purple and the blue look the same on this. That's not good. Let's just add some orange. This is a window marker. Okay, so we have completed. There it is. Let's just like, oh crap, I got marker on my teeth. Let's just roll it up with paper towels and squish it. Hoping that'll like dry it out a tiny bit. Oh, some nice marks. Whoa. It left a rainbow marks. Now just let me sit on this. Okay. So there we go, it's done. That's all the time we have for today, so stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys!